Let's update some requisitions using the Morpher App's Purchase Requisitions integrator from the Procurement module. We are already connected to our Oracle instance using login and have brought up the requisitions template using new sheet. First, let's download some requisitions from our Oracle instance using the download functionality. You can either enter your criteria in the sheet and after highlighting those criteria, use the download via sheet or use the download form. Here you have multiple criteria available to download existing requisitions. Let's now perform some updates on these existing requisitions. On the header section, you can change the description only. On the line section, you can change the line description, line quantity, and line amount. On the distribution, you can change the distribution quantity and amount as well. Finally, you can also do some updates on descriptive flex fields. Due to current Oracle constraints, only text number and date-based DFF are currently supported. Let's now update a few requisitions. On this first requisition, we are going to do an update of the description header. We need to put an upload action update to update the requisition header. We don't need to put an upload action at the line level because we want to perform an update only at the header level. Then on this second requisition, we are going to do an update only at the line level. We're going to update the line description only. Finally, on this third requisition, we want to update the header and line. Let's put the upload action update at the line level. We're going to update the description and the line quantity. We're also going to update the distribution quantity on this requisition. Let's highlight the requisitions we would like to update. We can highlight any column and then choose to validate only or validate and upload. The module will start with validation and then process only valid records to Oracle using Oracle REST services. These requisitions have been successfully updated. We can take a look at them in Oracle or in the integrator. Copy-paste the list of requisition numbers and use the second download option, download via sheet. You will be able to use the criteria highlighted with a little arrow to download. At the end of the download, you can keep your download criteria or clear them. These descriptions have been successfully updated, as well as the line quantity and distribution quantity.